Step 1. Log in your Gmoney account and choose Add Money. Step 2. Press Cash Deposit if you want to deposit cash to your Gmoneypay account. Step 3. You can choose to deposit from convenience store CU, GS25, 7-Eleven or eMart24. You can also press How to Deposit to see all tutorials and press Store Location to see all the nearby possible stores. After choosing, press Next. Step 4. Enter the deposit amount and press Done. You might check the transaction limits on the screen and press Next. Step 5. Press Confirm to proceed. Step 6. Enter transaction PIN code to proceed. Step 7. Press Click and display barcode and give to the store cashier with your cash so they can scan your code and deposit your money to your Gmoneypay account. You can also deposit cash from Lotte ATM at 7-Eleven or Hyosung ATM at GS25 by following similar steps from 1 to 6 and follow instructions on app at ATM machines to finish.